Hello friends, welcome to Swellen training session. In this lecture, we will continue our cavity part operation. So we will see in previous lecture, all the operation are perfect and apply, and in this lecture, we will apply only drilling operation. So first of all, we will see in PDF how the dimension of the hole. So friends, you will see here this dimension is radius 3. So I will select all the operation and height. Now in toolpath, select drill, or here select your hole, here also. OK. Now create a new tool, drilling, and select your standard size, like the diameter is 6. Next and finish. Now holder is set, in cut parameter also, linking parameter. So the depth is set. Here you will see here this is the 57, so I will give 65, and top of the stock this one. OK, you will see. Now we will apply for this hole. So in PDF, this radius is 8. So drilling, select the holes. Click on OK. Now create your another tool. Next, give your diameter, like our radius is 8, so the diameter is 16. Next, finish. Select the holder. In linking parameter, you will see the value is set, so I will just click on OK. See. Now the another hole value is radius 4. So again, drilling, select your holes. So first of all, we will select all the holes. Click on OK. Now create a new tool, drilling, and give the value 8 because our radius is 4. Next, finish. Now select your holder. Now linking parameter, the value is set. We will see here this portion is already cut, so I will select the top of the stock is this point. OK, you will see. So now I will select all the operation on height. You will see here at isometric view. OK. Now we will apply or check in verify selected operation. So verify selected operation, simulation on. See here, axis is off, and I will play it. So you will see our object is perfectly apply and perform. So friends, I will cancel it. Fit the drawing. Okay. In next lecture we will create the core part. Thank you friends.